What's the meaning of brain? Brain. Brain.
Brain. Brain. The term brain refers to the complex organ located in the head that controls and coordinates bodily functions, as well as cognitive processes such as thinking, learning, and memory. It is composed of billions of interconnected neurons and glial cells, organized into specialized regions responsible for different functions. The brain receives input from sensory organs, processes information, and generates output through nerve impulses that travel to various parts of the body. It also plays a crucial role in emotions, behavior, and consciousness. Despite extensive research, the brain remains an enigmatic and intriguing subject, with many mysteries yet to be unraveled.